Hi, I'm Garrett with IDC Woodcraft, and if you own a BobsCNC E3 or E4 series, then you know that dust on the rails is an issue. Well, I've got a little quick fix that will help you out. So I'm going to run through that, but I just want to tell you really quick, I am working on a project with my friend David to come up with a solution that'll solve this problem permanently and easily. Now I'm running a job right now, a sign that I made with this MDF, and I'm going to create a video that shows you how to create like a mica surface on MDF. You'll really like that. And also I am testing a brand new set of tools that looks like it's doing an exceptional job, like beyond what I ever expected. That when the test is done, it looks like these are going to go up for sale on my website. A great starter set. All right, so let's talk about these rail issues that you're dealing with. You know that when this thing's cutting, without some kind of dust control on your BobsCNC router, you're getting dust flying all over the place, and it's getting on the rails, and that builds up on the rails and ends up stressing your machine. So ideally, a dust boot is something you want. This is something I've been working on for quite a while, a way to get the dust out of there without having a brush on there or the tape that will redirect the air, because ultimately that's where the problem is coming from, is the air blast coming down is blowing that sawdust everywhere, and when it comes to MDF, it's a pain. So let me show you this quick little fix that will take care of this problem temporarily for you. This will only work on your XAxis rails, but these are the rails that really suffer from the problem. So here's what I do. I get some painter's tape, take off a small piece, and tape over the little hole on the side so dust doesn't blow through the hole. Then I will take another strip, run it all the way along here, kink it over a little bit, and that acts as like a shield against the dust going on there, and it stops about 90% of the dust buildup. So it kind of works like this. And then I'll just run my finger around just to bend it over just a little bit, just to get it to bend that way. Now, one thing you want to be careful of, it's got a sticky surface on the other side, and you have the roller bearings right here. So if that bend goes too far, it's going to catch on the bearing and pull it down. And the way to stop that from happening is simply grab some sawdust from your job and put it on the tape, and that completely stops it. Or you can just put another piece of masking tape on the back side, and that will stop a good bit of the dust that you're getting onto your rails. And then do the same thing on the other side, and that will eliminate a lot of the sawdust buildup on the BobsCNC router rails on your X-axis rails. As far as this rail, the Y-axis and the Z-axis, different story. When I get the wipers built, we'll have the sawdust problem solved altogether on all axes. So watch for those videos. Also, if you have a BobsCNC E4, E3 router, I do a lot of videos about that machine. So you might want to subscribe to this channel. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. This is Garrett. I hope you have an awesome day.